Good evening, everybody. Musibye mutya mwenna. We are back. We are continuing with our lessons. Tukomyewo era tugenda maaso n'okuyiga. This is 2026. Guno omwaka gwa 2026. Everyone is just focused on learning the language. Buli omu asazeewo kubanga ateeka essira ku kuyiga olulimi. Learning English and learning Luganda. Abayiga Oluzungu n'abayiga Oluganda. So today, how to use wake up or woke up. This woke up here. Woke up and wake up. What is wake up? Wake up is a verb that means if somebody has been sleeping to get up. That means wake up. Okukola ki? Okuzuukuka in Luganda. What about woke up? Woke up is the past tense of wake up. Nga wonagamba yazuukuse. Yazuukuse is the past tense of azuukuse. Okay? So, how to use wake up or woke up? We want to know how you can arrange these verbs and use them proper. So, we have the first one is I woke up every day at 6 a.m. I woke up every day at 6 a.m. Olaba woke up eba past tense kitegeeza it happened long time. Oba kyaliwo ebiseera ebiyise nga jjo yesterday or the other day. So I woke up every day at 6 a.m. Kitegeeza nazuukuka, olaba nazuukuka buli lunaku saawa 12. Nazuukuka buli lunaku saawa 12. I woke up every day. I woke up every day. Nazuukuka essaawa 12. Kino ekigambo everyday kyekitegeeza buli lunaku. I woke up every day at 6. Nazuukuka buli lunaku saawa meka? 12. So ekyo kyaliwo emabega. That is like a past tense. What about this second one? I woke up at 6 a.m. I woke up. So this can mean nazuukuka. It can mean nazuukuka essaawa 12 ez'okumakya, or it can mean nazuukuse saawa 12 ez'okumakya. I woke up at 6 a.m. It means you woke up probably in the morning or yesterday. Or if somebody is asking a question, like oliwa akubuuza ekibuuzo, let's say, that week when I came to visit you, which gye najja okukyalira, that week when I came to visit you, what time did you wake up? Oba olunaku olwo lwe najja okukyalira, that day when I came to visit you, what time did you wake up? You can say, I woke up at 6 a.m. that day. Okitegeeza oba okitegeera. So I woke up can mean recent past or past tense, like many days back. Okay? I woke up at 6 a.m. Nazuukuse essaawa 12 ez'okumakya, or nazuukuka essaawa 12 ez'okumakya. I hope now you know the difference, right? Then we go to 3. 3 says, I wake up every day at 6 a.m. I wake up every day at 6 a.m. Nzuukuka saawa 12 ez'okumakya. I wake up every day. Every day. Nzuukuka saawa 12 ez'okumakya. Maybe we miss something. I wake up every day at 6 a.m. Nzuukuka buli lunaku. Nzuukuka buli lunaku here buli lunaku saawa 12 ez'okumakya, because of every day. Okay, I wake up every day. This is a present thing. Then number 4, I always wake up at 6 a.m. I always wake up at 6 a.m. Nsituka bulijjo. You see that? Always wake up. Nsituka bulijjo sawa meka 12 ez'okumakya. So this and I used to wake up at 6 a.m. Nazukukanga sawa 12 ez'okumakya. Eno ogiraba nawe yanjawulo. Now, where is the challenge? Ekisoomooza kiriwa? Abantu bangi, many people, they fail. They don't know what this means. Tebamanyi kino kitegeeza ki? This means what? This means what? This means what? This means what? They use them interchangeably. They just use any that they feel like. Whatever comes to the mind, they use it. Ekijja mu bwongo kyebakola ki? Kyebakozesa. Naye tutegedde nti I woke up, kasita owulira I woke up early, nasituse oba nazuukuse mangu. I woke up at, nasituse saa bweziti. I wake up eba continuous, nsituka oba nzuukuka saawa bweziti. I wake up. Or wogamba I am waking up, ndi kusituka. So I wake up yeyo eya continuous. Then I used to wake up. I used kino ekigambo. Used na situkanga oba nazuukukanga saa bweziti. So what do you do when you wake up? Bathroom, brush your teeth, clean up. We are learning how to use wake up or woke up. So you could say, osobola okugamba bwoti, I wake up every day at 6 a.m. Nzuukuka buli lunaku essaawa 12 ez'okumakya. When I wake up, wensituka oba bwenzuukuka oba bwensituka. We said I wake up every day at 6 a.m. Nzuukuka buli lunaku saawa 12 ez'okumakya. When I wake up, bwensituka oba bwenzuukuka, I go to the bathroom, ngenda mu kiyigo, then I brush my teeth, then nensenya amannyo, or I clean up, neneeyonja, or I take a bath, or I take a shower. Bath kwe kunaaba no scotch amazzi bwoti, oba shower amazzi gayiika kuva waggulu n'okola ki? Ne weeyiira. So let me know in the comments, kantegeere gwe ayiga oluzungu bino ebigambo obikozesa otya. If you're learning Luganda, do you know nazuukuka, then nazuukuse, then nzuukuka, nsituka, then nazuukukanga. We have nazuukuse, I woke up. Then we have nazuukuka, it means also I woke up. Then we have nzuukuka, I wake up. Then we have nsituka or nzuukuka, I wake up still. Then nazuukukanga, I used to wake up. So that's what we were looking at today. We are learning Luganda and learning English at the same time, because on this channel it's called Learn Luganda and English, or Learn English and Luganda. So we have our friends who are following, who are learning English, and those that are learning Luganda. Nabaiga or Luganda. As I said, this year we're going to be more practical. To be practical, so that we can learn a little bit more than what we learned in the past year. Tusobole okuyiga ebisingako bye twayiga omwaka oguwedde. Kambalinde mu comments, weebale nnyo, tujja kuddamu mu video endala. Thank you so much. We'll see you in another video.